Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cinematic intro video in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this one. I'm just going to go to background and I'll select this white background here and I'm just going to freeze frame it. Add in your text. Just going to type in example. And I'm going to change the font as well to like a bolder font. Let's see, maybe this one. Also going to color it black. Then you're just going to add it to the rest of your video. Go to animation and select the in animation and select the typewriter one, but adjust the animation a little bit. Select everything, right click, create compound clip. Then you're going to go to video and you're going to select the screen one and you're going to adjust the opacity. So right about here, go to mask and select the mirror one and reverse that. And add a keyframe here. And here you're just going to open it up. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!